So your MacBook faces this issue and you question your whole life about what is happening to this MacBook. Obviously, it says it's a mystery, so let's solve it. Let's finally debunk this ghost story. So this is caused by an erased disk without the OS installed. So yeah, it faces this issue. There we go. You know how it happens. Now let's shut down the computer, reboot the computer while putting alternate Command R. Common mistake is that people usually put Command R, and Command R usually refers you to the original OS. So because this MacBook is a early 2014 MacBook Air 13-inch, so the software released in 2014 is OS Mavericks. Boot the computer, pressing alternate Command R. So this is a disk lock. So what this means is that this disk is currently encrypted and you need a passcode to enter it. So it's now starting internet recovery, so that might take a while.
Bruh.
Okay, so now, oh my goodness, why is it shaky? Okay, so now because it has booted the internet recovery, you can go under disk utility to check if the disk is damaged or not. So I recommend you to do a first aid, and yeah, you can install your macOS. So just click continue, agree, and choose the disk that you want to install the OS.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help.
Bruh.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, again. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go and eat. So when this is done, you guys remind me.
12 seconds later. 2 hours later. 20 minutes later.
Well, look at this. You guys did not remind me. That's really sad. Oh yeah, I forgot. You're stuck in the screen. After this, you can see this screen. And you're done, basically. By the way, don't forget to subscribe.